Hi, my name's Johnny. I work for Survival School and welcome to our little contribution to Bristol's brilliant archaeology. What we're going to do is we're going to make an axe head which is made of copper, and it's a replication of the one that Ötzi the Iceman made 5,300 years ago, there or thereabouts. The important thing to do is to get all the right equipment. We're not going to be archaeologically accurate with any of this. What we're going to do is we're going to use contemporary equipment. So the first thing that I've got here is, instead of bellows, I've got a hand cranked air generator. So you can see that it works like that, and the air comes out of this tube. That blows air into the furnace, which is made out of a ceramic fire blanket surrounded by a bit of wire with clay just to hold it all in place. Then we've got our scales, and what I want is roughly 200 grams of copper, and this is just copper wire. This is I stripped the isolated coating off there. Yeah, we've got 203 grams there. So what we actually need is 174 grams, but I've got a little bit of extra. Some tongs, and these tongs are to pick the crucible up, which is what all the copper will be melted in. I've got a roughed out blank of the axe head, which is 3.7 centimeters across there, and it's 7.9 long, and it's 1.1 thick. So that's the blank that I've made, and that is going to go into this magic box. And in this magic box I have got some sand. Now this is where this blank goes. I push it down, fold it over, and this hollowed out bit is where the molten copper is going to go. And on the one side of this box you'll see there's a hole there, and that's the sprue. That's where I'm going to pour the molten copper in. Really importantly, I need to have my PPE. Got a pair of gauntlets here, not gloves. The gauntlets are so that you can shake them off when they get too hot. So rather than having to take them off, you can just shake them off. Really, really, really importantly, my PPE glasses. You must be wearing them. And then I've got some water here. That's so that I can quench the copper, with the copper axe head. And then in here, I've got the charcoal, lovely charcoal, black and gold, which is going to go into the furnace. So that's part one. Come back and see us for part two.